from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our updated tow mirror built for any 1998 through 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. This tow mirror comes with the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. It is also a manual fold-up to increase your range of view, maximizing your road safety and visibility. In addition, this tow mirror also features a lower panoramic mirror and a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, with an overall length of 21 inches, and the mirror itself measuring at 12 inches by 8 inches. It is designed to increase your road visibility whether you're driving or towing. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.